Hello everyone, I welcome you all again to my channel. I have a new video today and this one is pretty special. I am showing you my craft room, taking you through a tour, showing each and every nook and corner of my room. So let's start with few pictures of my room. This is my room where my main table is there and the chair on which I sit. This is the left side of my chair with my wall of love. When I'll be taking you through, I'll explain about that also. This is a small corner where I've kept some embellishments. This is, you can see a side view of the room. This is one of the walls in the room. Keep watching, I'll show you where everything is and what all I have. So let's start. Here's the door to my room. Let me take you inside. I thought I'll keep it a little close and then open it so that you can see it slowly and nicely through it. Let's walk in. So this is how when I enter my room. It's a small room in my apartment and it's completely dedicated to my crafts. There's the biggest table on which, or say my craft table or work table, that's my chair. That's the right side wall of my room on which this wooden panel is there. This wooden panel I have made of myself. These are two big cupboards in the room. Now, originally when we got it built, I do not think that was the whole idea about that room. But then I transformed that room to my craft room, and now these cupboards hold everything craft related. That is just one side of the room where all small things, handy stuff I keep. So let me start. I was talking about this wooden panel. So when the whole housework got completed, there were some small bits and pieces of wooden scraps lying. I joined them all and made this shelves. And I keep my distress inks and distress oxide inks in one of the section. I have swatched them myself because there was no such tag or anything to know which color is what. So to make it easier to pick and choose, I have done this. This side is distress ink and the other side is distress oxide inks. On the top, I have kept archival inks. Trust me, those have all the different shades of archival, but I don't use them much. I use black one, which I keep next to my table. There's a drawer. So that's where the whole craft stuff starts. And this is a very small side and the drawer side. This is something which I did myself, a mixed media project. And this is a very small box where I keep all the mini stamps. You'll find all the best crafting companies stamps in this. These are world's best crafting companies and I'm very proud to have them all in my stash. This is the first section of this mini drawer side. This box has all the papers and cardstocks, whatever is like cut pieces or something. This is my camera which I generally use to click my pictures. These are all the papers, the cardstocks. People generally ask me what kind of cardstocks I use. So I used mostly the white ones, then the color ones are also there. I have all sort of brands, right from Nina to your DCW and your Strathmore and Canson, everything I have, because the requirement keeps changing as per the design. Now this basket has all the stamps. This basket is pretty deep inside and I am guessing there must be more than 200 stamp sets. This another basket has some dies and stencils along with embossing folders. I do not have too many embossing folders with me, a few, so I just keep them along with my dies and stencils only. Those albums are my kids' albums I made for my daughters. This big box has all tubby craft supplies, so I have been working with them for last 2 years and continuing for another term. That small wooden tray keeps all the electrical things. This is the foot pedal for my swing machine and the craft tool. These are acrylic plates for my big shot, Suzuki's big shot. I keep it on the floor as I do not use it every day, kind of. Coming to my table, this is my newfound hobby. I bought my machine some 8 to 9 months back and I love it completely. Now coming to the coloring part, these are zig markers, these are water markers, and I have 92 or 90 I guess, and I have divided them into these 3 IKEA boxes. They are really nice boxes. I have told the same thing in my earlier videos also, and I have done color swatching as per the division of the boxes. So all the boxes inside, the color swatch is also there. That makes it easier, definitely. These are Copics. I am a new owner of these ones, and they are again my newfound love, I would say. These are Tubby Craft dye ink pads. So they have already, the color swatches are there. They are right on my table as these are the mostly used inks for me. This is a small tray and the small basket. I keep all the knickknacks and small things in this. Glossy accents, tack on, the water sprays, the glues, some Nuvo embellishments and some pearls here and there. Small stuff all. I always think that if they're right in front of your eyes, they are gonna definitely make it to your card or projects. Okay, moving on to my tonic gluten trimmer. I have earlier used whiskers and all also, but I think this is the best paper trimmer I have had, and I have been using this for last 3 to 4 years I guess, and it's in the best and the same condition how I bought it. The handle is pretty thick and good and sturdy, and I have this 12 by 12 size for that. Now this is my wall of love, which I say, whenever I order something, all these companies, they send some thank you notes. I put them on my wall. I cherish them a lot. That is my Copic pens chart. This is by my younger daughter. She made it last year when I had to go through a surgery. That side, that triangle is a wooden piece. I got that stickering done on it, and so I can hold my applicator foams on it easily. So it has a hanging and I can always go back and hang it. I don't keep it lying. These foams do not catch too much of dust, so I am good hanging them on a wall, and as per my need I keep taking it out that ways. I forgot to show you this cute drawer of mine. This is the most handy place I have. I do not clutter it too much, and I have only few things in this drawer. My acrylic blocks are there, and these are from Tubby Craft. This box has lawn fawn chamois, and so I keep it in a box. That makes my job easier always. These are my all the time to go inks, Memento, VersaFine and acrylic, that Ranger archival. These are some your double-sided tapes, and this box holds all the sewing supplies. And here comes my small Stampaholic tool. I am still not a Misty owner, so maybe time to come. Definitely this one is just cluttered place, I would say. It holds my candle making supplies. I used to do it very often earlier, but not much now. These are my paintings. There are 2 paintings, one on the back also. They still have to find a place in my house. That's why they are in my room. Okay, this side, this is my icon stand for my videos. This is like an overhead stand. I can make my videos very easily. Maybe sometime I'll make a video on how I make videos through this. So that will make definitely life easier of some crafters. Okay, this is the bright and shiny, I will not say shiny, the bright and beautiful side of my room, the window side. I have another table. Now this one is not a very big table, and it has drawers on the below side of it which hold my stuff, and I do not keep too many things on this, just my laptop and few things here and there, small stuff, and with a scoreboard. Now this one is the Martha's scoreboard, a 12 by 12 size. I mostly work on this table, that's why I don't clutter it much because of the natural light. I try working on that side. So that is about the right, left, and the front side. This is, these are those big cupboards which you saw in the beginning. Now these cupboards have all craft supplies, which I might be hoarding for last 12 years, I think. I keep them pretty neat, I feel. I would like to have comments and feedback on this. So, as the space was a little constrained, so the cupboards are not very big, but I have managed to keep my stuff in boxes, in baskets, and all these. So this box has all the colorful ribbons. These are all gross grain ribbons and a variety of toys and everything there. So up, down, wherever you see, you'll see all craft supplies happening here. Let me close this. Now it's time to show you the die, the world of dies with me. I am a die collector and I love to use lots of dies. So I have made this whole section. I have put magnetic sheets on this door of the cupboard, and it's easier to find the dies, I feel that ways. Earlier they were lying in my boxes and sometimes I used to find, sometimes I used to miss as well. This another cupboard holds some completed projects, some unfinished projects. So that is how I just keep them inside, sometimes because of the dust or maybe to just keep all the space cleaned up. That's all. So that is how I keep the room. That's it for the room, and this is the last door. The inside that door leads to the bathroom. I just use it for cleaning my brushes and everything. I hope you liked my room. It's not a grand room, but it's a comfortable and a very, very peaceful space I have. If you've liked the video, do subscribe my channel. I'm pretty happy as the subscribers are going these days, up going, and click on the bell icon to get a notification when I'm uploading the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.